Once your design is ready in KiCAD, you need to send it to a manufacturing house for assembly. So you use the Gerber files for the PCB manufacturer, but the manufacturing house will also need a couple of additional things. One of them is a paste file, which possibly is a part of the Gerber file itself, but they also need an XY coordinate of all the components that you have used so that they can use the pick and place machine to place your components. And in this video we will walk through how to generate that XY coordinate file that Kickstarter the KiCAD says a .pos position file. So this is a simple schematic that we have two connectors here, J1 and J2, couple of few registers, these registers and LED. It does not do any function as such, but we it's just for our test purpose we have generated this PCB and routed it. This is like a differential pair and things like that. uh, we have included this register. The board is completely routed and we could generate, and we already generated the Gerber file. But the one thing we want to do is generate the XY coordinate for this PCB. And the way we do is we go to the file and something there is some this is the most recent version. I think it's version 5 point something. This is 5.1.5 and it's build release dash 3. So pretty recent version. It's 25th May right now. And the user interface could be slightly different for the earlier version, but maybe similar version. And the way you do is this: you go to file and fabrication output, you generate the a drill file, another file you can do other things, but to generate the position file you go and click the footprint.pos file. You click on that and then you can do something like this: create a, a directly like this, and we use and select the sky here. If we want the separate file for the top and the bottom layer, you can click this, but I like a single file for the top and bottom both. In this particular case we have components only on the top, so both of them are pretty much same. And the next thing we do is we could also generate a CSV file instead of ASCII file, but probably ASCII is more popular. And then click on the generate position file. So it generates this uh, file called led underscore or dash all dot pus file in the direct subdirectory f5. So and thus it has listed the number of the component count. We can go ahead and check this directory here. Go to this directory xy, this led dash all dot pus, and open it with a notepad plus plus, and then you can see that this is the lists out the reference designation, the two LEDs D1 and D2, green and red LEDs. These two registers have values 330 ohm and these two registers are 50 ohm, and that defines the PCB footprint package for these components. And this is the X and Y position. It's 4.7 inches and this one is 3.35 and so on and so forth. So this XY position will help the assembly hive to program that code for a pick and place help. We also have another video how to generate the Gerber file that you will need to take a look if you want to. I hope this helps you. Thanks.